Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to open a durian. Durian is a call of the king of the fruits and is found only in the Southeast Asia. And today we will make the method easily to open it. First, we going to find the 5-point star shaped line on the fruit or on the durian, but we will remove or cut it first, and then we will see very easy like this. You can see like a line, like a 5 star, and then we going to use the sharp knife to in the center of the star, and then try to press the knife into the durian to get all the way through the skin. You can see there will be 5 lines coming off the center point, arranged into the shape of the star. And then we going to cut along each line with the knife. Once you are losing off the skin, use the knife to cut along the gap between the spines of the way down the durian. And then we're going to pull a part of with your hand to separate and open the durians. Once you have made the 5 cuts, you should be able to open up the durian with very little trouble by pulling down on each. And then we're going to remove the durian. The fruit is ready to eat as soon as you open it. Let's try another durian. Do the same by cut in the end of the durian, and then we can see the star shape, and use the knife to cut along the line of star shape. And now you can see the durian. It's so nice and delicious. I hope you give this try for this method. It's not difficult to open it.